Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we are going to start new software that is an ArcGIS Pro. So if you're already familiar with the ArcGIS, then you can able to use this ArcGIS Pro as well. So if you're already installed the license version, then you just need to go to search ArcGIS Pro. So once you'll click here, you will see this is the interface. Okay. So today we are going to see in a basic understanding about the ArcGIS Pro, how we can able to georeference, how we can able to project. When you start the ArcGIS Pro, you will see there are option that is a new project. If you want to start a new project, you can click here on the map. Or if you're already working on some different projects and that you have saved, then you can directly just click here and you can able to open that file as well. Then learning resources is given there. If you're interested to learn something, so learning resources is also available there. You can use this learning resources as well. After that, if you want to open this, then just click on the map. Okay, then it will show a create a new project option is there, create a new project. So just click on the OK, then we can able to create a new project here. So when you will click on the new project, it will take a little bit time to open your new project. So once you click on the new project, you can able to see a map open with the hillshade. Okay, this is the world topography map is there. Okay, along with you can able to see the hillshade is there. Okay, so you can able to use a scroll to zoom in or zoom out your map. Okay, you can use a pan as well to shift your map to any location or desired location. Okay, so this is the horizontal ribbon. In that there are different options there like insert, then map, then view, imagery, different options you can able to see in the horizontal ribbons. Then here is a table of content. If you add any file, it can be able to see in table of content. And here is the catalog is there. In the catalog, in the computer section, you will able to see all the things which is having in your system, like all the drives. If you click on this PC, you can able to see C drive, D drive, E drive. Okay, all the drives are there. And if you have kept your data any particular drives, then you can just go and access that data. Okay, like in the D drive, I'm having this topo sheet. Okay, in the video lecture, there's ArcGIS Pro folder, and in that there is a topo sheet is there. And this topo sheet is not georeference. So what we can able to do, we can add this topo sheet and we can georeference this topo sheet. So how to add any file in ArcGIS Pro? There are two ways. Okay, we can directly add from the catalog. So I will show you this first type. Just go to computers, from where you will able to access this catalog. Suppose this catalog is not showing there. What you can able to do, you can just go to views. There is a catalog pan option is there, catalog pan. So once you click on the catalog pan, you can able to see the option is there, computer. In that computer, you can able to see different drives are there. So in the D drive, there is a video lecture folder is there. Okay, once you search on the V, it will automatically go to that location. From here, in the ArcGIS Pro, I have saved this topo sheet. If you want to download a topo sheet, you can download from the Survey of India. I will share the link in the description box, from where you can able to see the video and you can able to download the topo sheet. Or any map you can able to take for the georeferencing. So you just need to drag this file. Okay, just select it, left click on your mouse and just drag like it. So once you'll drag it, it will take little bit time and it will show unknown georeference. Okay, so this raster data so does not have statistic. Calculate statistic may take the time. So just click on the yes option. And after that, you can able to see this is showing me unknown coordinate system. Okay, map data source is missing, coordinate system information, and click here to details. So if I'll right click and zoom to layer, so this map, this topo sheet, it is showing unknown coordinate system. Unknown coordinate system means it is not a georeference. So what is georeferencing actually? If you'll go to this PPT, you'll see the georeferencing definition is there. Georeferencing is the process of taking a digital image. It could be an air photo or a scan geological map or a picture of a topographic map and adding a geographic information to the image so that GIS or a mapping software can place the image in an appropriate real world location. So what we are doing here, we are taking an topographic map and we are adding a geographic location to that image, so it can be, the image can be appropriately attached to the real world location. Okay, so this process is completed by selecting a pixels in the digital image and assigning them a geographical coordinates. So how we can able to georeference? For that, we are going to see the process. So two way we can able to add the data, as I'm saying, first from here, or otherwise you can go to map section. In the map, there is add data option is there, and from here we can able to add data. Okay, just click on the data. We just need to go to location where we are working. Okay, so from here you can able to see this PC and all that. After that, you just need to go to your desired location. Okay, so in the video lecture, I have saved my data in ArcGIS Pro, and here is the file. If I'll click on the OK, again the same image will add here and it will show the unknown coordinate system. Two ways we have added the data source here, from catalog, or we can able to add from the map and insert data. So I'll just remove from here one image because both are having a same image. So what we can able to do, we need to provide a coordinate here. Okay, so you can able to see the lat long is given on the map. So this lat long will provide here. Okay, 1, 2, like 4 coordinates are there. So we need to provide this 4 coordinate. We need to assign this real world coordinate to this image. What are the real world coordinate is given here, we need to assign to this image. So how we can able to do this? We called as a georeferencing. So to do georeferencing, we just need to click on the imagery option is there. Okay, in the imagery, there is a georeferencing option is there. So we just need to select this. Okay, we need to select our ungeoreferenced image. That time it will highlight. If you select the map option, then it will not highlight because our map is already projected and it is already having a coordinate system. So we just need to click this our ungeoreferenced image. And after that, when you will click on the imagery, you just need to click on the georeference. Okay, so after click on the georeference, the first thing is that we need to set a SRS. Just click on the SRS, and here we need to select a coordinate system, that is a WGS 1984. Okay, we need to go to geographical coordinate system. In the geographical coordinate system, there is a world. In the world, there is a WGS 1984. Okay, just select it and just click on the OK. Okay, so we have provided image, that is a WGS 1984. So what is that? Actually, if you'll see here, a WGS is nothing but a geographical coordinate system, and it has a latitude and longitude position. Okay, a geographical coordinate system uses a 3-dimensional spherical surface to define the location on the Earth. A GCS include an angular unit of measures, a prime meridian, and a datum. So what happened here actually in the datum? So lat long locate an exact position on the Earth, but they are not a unit of uniform measurements. So if you'll see the 1 degree of equator, if you'll go to equator 1 degree, it is covering 111.321 kilometer. But the same 1 degree, if you'll go to 19 degree, it is covering 55.802 kilometer. So for that, first we'll prepare a georeferencing. Okay, first we'll provide a GCS, and after completing the GCS, we can provide a PCS. So what is GCS, what is PCS, that we'll see. But first we'll understand a WGS 1984, which we have provided here. So just click on the set SRS. From here, we have already provided a datum. After that, just right click, zoom to layer. Okay, so we need to provide this lat long here. From here to here, where the both longitude and latitude are meeting at this location, we need to provide a latitude and longitude. So for that, we need to click on the add control. Okay, so just I will auto apply, I will off, and I will just click on the add control points. So from this to this, where both things, this longitude and latitude, where it is coming, just you left click and then right click. Okay, first you left click and then right click. It will show to add a coordinate x and y. In x we need to add a longitude, and y we need to add a latitude. If we are having a degree made second, we can add in degree made second, but here we can able to convert this degree made second into degree decimal. Okay, how to convert this? Like I will go to Google, and here I will open a calculator. So to convert this, okay, so degree we keeping as it is, minute we are dividing by 60, and second we are dividing by 3600. Okay, so like 73 degree is there, 73 degree. Then we need to add here 73 degree plus, okay, then 30 minute is there. So minute we are dividing by 60, okay, plus second is not given. Suppose second is there, we'll add second. So here I will add as a 0, divide by 3600. For second we are dividing by 3600 and just click on equal. So you will get 73.5. Okay, so in the x I will add 73.5, and now in the y, okay, so 22 degree 15 is there. So if 15 is there, it will come 25. So 22.25. So like I will show one more time, that is 22 degree plus 15 minute divided by 60 plus second is 0 divided by 3600. So it will come 22.25. So we have provided both the lat long here, and just click on the OK option. Okay, so first coordinate is added here. Again I will just right click, then zoom to layer. Okay, so I can just minimize this, and these are the second location where we can add another coordinate. So you can able to use your scroll to zoom in or zoom out, and if you press the scroll, then pan will come. You can able to move your map any desired location. Once you left your scroll, then again this add control point option will come. Okay, so we have to take this add control point, then first left click and then right click, and again we need to add coordinate here, like 73.45 is there, means it will come 75, and 22.15 is there, so it will come 25. So just click on OK. Again right click, zoom to layer. At least 4 coordinates we need to add here. Okay, then again left click, right click, and here we need to add 73.75 and 22.00. Then right click, zoom to layer, and again this is the 4th coordinate. Just properly zoom it the location, then left click, then right click, and here is the 73.50. okay, and 22.00, and just click on OK. Okay, so here 4 coordinates we have added. After adding a 4 coordinate, to send to it proper location, just click on apply option is there. Okay, once you click on the apply, it will automatically shift to that location where this topo sheet is belong. So just right click and zoom to layer this topo sheet. Okay, so now after adding a 4 coordinates, we can able to see this river is perfectly matching with this river. Okay, then this river also you can able to see this is also and perfectly matching. Okay, so now if you want to save this, or if you want to do any changes in the coordinate, suppose by mistakenly if you added a wrong coordinate, you can just click on the control point table. Okay, in this control point, if you have wrongly added any point, you can just select that point. You can select anything, and if you want to do changes, so you can just change here. If you are by mistakenly added any wrong coordinate, then you can able to change from here. Okay, and After that, you can close it from here. Okay. So now if you want to save this file, okay, suppose you want to save this file, what are the coordinates you have added, and you want to save this, then option is there, that is the save coordinates. Okay. So once you'll click on this save, it will automatically georeference, or otherwise if you want to save this as a new file, you can click on the save as a new file, and you can save to desired location where you want to save. So just click on the browse option. So I'm working in the video lecture ArcGIS Pro. So here I want to save georef. Okay. Georeference I will save as here. Then what format you want to save? I want to save in TIFF, so I'll select a TIFF. And most important thing is there, that is a spatial reference. So the spatial reference will provide a WGS 1984 geographical coordinate system world, and here is the WGS 1984, and just click on OK, and just click on the export. So once you click on the export, so see this file is we have saved as a georeference. Okay. Now after georeference, what I'm interested to do, right click, zoom to layer. So you can just check your accuracy, it is accurate or not by just checking it, or otherwise you can also click on the raster option is there, and from here you can use the transparency to check whether it is properly georeferenced or not. Okay. So after that, if you want to do projection, what is projection that we are going to see first? So as I'm saying you, so I was saying you, we have provided a latitude and longitude to the topo sheet, but there is a variation. 1 degree of longitude at the equator is covering 111 square kilometer, and the same 1 degree of longitude at 60 degree covering 55. So hence latitude, longitude cannot be used to measure distance area on a flat map. So we need to convert 3-dimensional spherical surface to 2-dimensional, we call it as a projection. So conversion of 3-dimensional spherical earth surface into 2-dimensional we call it as a projection. So there are basically PCS defined on a flat 2-dimensional surface, and it has a constant length, angle, and area across the 2 direction. PCS is always based on GCS. So whatever the GCS will provide, geographical coordinate system, on the basis of that we are providing a PCS. So there are 3 different kinds of projection is actually there: cylindrical, conical, and planar projections. So if you want to understand this in detail, I will provide the link in the description box, from where you can able to understand what is actually universal transverse Mercator and all that thing. So here is the UTM zone is there. So all our world is divided into 60 UTM zone, and this 60 UTM zone, one UTM zone covers 6 degree of longitude. Okay, so 6 degree wide, one UTM zone covering 6 degrees. So total 60 zones are there. So we need to find our topo sheet is falling into what UTM zone. Okay, I'm interested to see this topo sheet, what are the topo sheet is there I'm using. So it is falling in which UTM zone, that we want to check. So for that, what you can able to do, you just need to go to Google and search here, that is a UTM zone KML. Okay, UTM zone KML. So here you can able to see the UTM zone is there. Just click on the UTM zone, so it will start download below, and we can directly open this in our Google Earth Pro. So you can able to see this UTM zone is added here. Different UTM zones is added there. So I just need to check. You can able to see any famous location on the map. Okay, and that location we can able to see on Google, and we from that we can able to understand what UTM zone our file is there. So like I will take any name. Okay, so this name I will take Naswadi. Okay, just go to search here. So Naswadi, Gujarat, and here it is. So now you can able to see this is this river is showing in our topo sheet. Okay, this river, and along with that, this small river is there. Okay, and this village name we have searched here, and it is indicating that it is falling in UTM zone 43. So we can provide a 43 UTM zone. Okay, so whatever the file is coming in 43 UTM zone, we can provide a 43 UTM zone. So to provide a projection system, what we need to do, we just need to select this georeference file, right click, and data export raster option is there, export raster. So once you'll click on the export raster, we need to save our projected file. Okay, so I will save in the same folder. I will add as a PRJ topo. Just click on the save, and most important thing, what are the format you want to select, and here coordinate system we need to provide a UTM zone 43. So previously we have selected a geographic coordinate system. Now we'll select a projected coordinate system, PCS, projected coordinate system. After that, in the UTM zone, world WGS 1984, okay, WGS 1984, in that we are living in the northern hemisphere, and I will select a UTM zone 43 here. So WGS 1984 UTM zone 43, just select it and just click on OK. So you can able to see the UTM zone we have added here 43. After that, just you need to click on the export option is there. Once you click on the export, the file will export here. Okay, so now we have exported this file. If I right click, zoom to layer. Okay, so suppose if I take any new blank project. Okay, so I will take a new project. Okay, so just click on yes. So we'll check our file is projected or not, whatever the file we have saved. Okay, so this projected topo sheet will see, or georeference file will see it is opening or not on the accurate location where this file is belong. So I have taken a new map, and we'll go to catalog, computer, and I have saved my file in D drive, and video lecture is there. In that there is a ArcGIS Pro, and here is the projected topo sheet and georeference. So these two files we have saved. If I'll right click, add here, right click, then zoom to layer. Okay, now we can able to see this is added into accurate locations where it is belong. And even though if I'll add this georeference, it is also coming on the same location. So previously we have taken an ungeoreferenced image, and after that we apply georeferencing and projection on the same map. And now in the next tutorial we'll see how we can able to digitize any feature from it. So might be questions come in your mind, what is the difference between both the file in georeference and projected file? So once you will select this georeference file, and if you'll go to right click and go to properties, you will see the spatial reference, and in the spatial reference you can able to see the angular unit is degree. Okay, angular unit is degree. But when you will check the file of projection system, in the properties you can able to see the spatial reference, and this is in meter. So if you want to do any calculations like to measure area on a flat map, you require the unit having a meter or kilometer, anything. From that, what we can able to do, we can able to measure distance area on a flat map. So that's why we have converted this georeference file into projected file. So hope you understand the basic concepts, how we can able to georeference, how we can able to project. So you just need to add your map here. Okay, once you'll add your map, you just need to go to imagery, and you need to select a georeferencing. So once you'll select a georeference, you can provide your latitude and longitudes. First you set your CRS, then you can apply all the 4 coordinates, And after that, in control points, if you want to delete any control point, what are the control points are there that you can able to add, or you can able to change, or you can able to delete the control points. After that, you can able to save your coordinates from here. What are the geo-reference file you have there, you can able to save. And from that, after that, you can right click and you can project this file, okay, data, and you can able to export the data and you can able to project this. So it is very easy. If you are having any doubts regarding the ArcGIS Pro or anything, you can just ask me in the comment sections. Hope you enjoy the lessons. Thank you.